Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So we're actually on our way to the grocery store because you guys know that's what we do on Fridays, and we haven't bought any groceries in 2 weeks because we went to Seattle, so there was no reason to buy any food. And yeah, our fridge is looking super empty, super sad, and I actually need to clean it out before I restock everything in there. So that's what I am planning to do when we get home. I'm wearing my husband's hat just because I felt like covering my face a little bit more, so I just have on a hat and some sunglasses, and we're gonna try out a new bubble tea place and hopefully it's good. And yeah, I don't really have much planned today besides getting my refrigerator clean because that's the #1 thing that has been bothering me.
But the lady was like vlogging. I was like, someone's shipping out little chicken hens.
Oh really?
Yeah, it was all like, they were all chirping and shit. I was like,
a cantaloupe milk foam, sea salt milk foam, which I've never gotten before, so this is different, but it's not bad. It tastes like a really mild honeydew, but the cantaloupe nuchi sweet, so it's not like overly sweet. That way we don't have to actually shop at night, but it's a lot better because there's nobody and we don't have to wait in a long line, but they don't really have a lot of produce. So we're just kind of walking around. I think we're about done shopping here because there's not really anything.
362.
It's warm right here.
62.
No, it's actually nice.
Well, they said this part should be the warmest.
Please check your battery. Sign additional maps. Touch OK to pay. 198.
Look at the light.
I can't believe this was the only pack of cherry tomatoes they had left. Did you know that? That was the only one. I looked because they had like the yellow packet of everything. And then I looked and that was the only one left. I looked like I had a really bad hair color and I'm wearing a beanie to cover it. So I thought it was gonna be dead, but there were still quite a bit of people. There were still lines for the checkout lanes, but then lucky for us, we always try to buy under 15 items, so we just went through self-checkout. And now we're gonna head to Walmart because we need to go get some water, and I also need to repurchase a foundation because I actually ran out of my L'Oreal foundation. So I need that for tomorrow because I don't have any left. This one's not that cute.